Are human workers being replaced, or are they simply being upgraded? In 2026, the robotics industry has crossed a threshold where machines are no longer just tools, but intelligent, autonomous partners. Tonight, we dive into the staggering rise of collaborative robots, or cobots, and how they are rewriting the rules of global manufacturing. The numbers we are seeing this year are nothing short of explosive. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting Analysis, the global collaborative robot market is expected to reach $12.71 billion by 2030. Universal Robots is leading the charge with their Predictive Intelligence initiative and a massive partnership with Siemens. Unveiled at CES 2026, the integration of digital twin composer software allows businesses to simulate Cobot performance photorealistically in real time.
To train BrickGPT, the researchers created a data set of more than 47,000 Lego structures. And now for today's top story. Collaborative robots continue to be the hottest segment of the automation market. By one estimate, Cobot sales are expected to grow at a cumulative annual rate of 31% over the next 5 years.
Beyond software, ABB Robotics has shocked the market. SoftBank has agreed to acquire the division for $5.375 billion. Meanwhile, Fanuc is bringing safety to the heavyweights with the M950IA/500, designed for automotive and aerospace scaling. Regionally, Asia-Pacific remains the volume leader, commanding roughly 51% of global revenue. In North America, the story is reshoring. Growth is projected at 21.2% CAGR as firms bring manufacturing home. Europe, the birthplace of Industry 5.0, continues to pioneer human-centric design and strict safety standards for small to medium enterprises. The 2026 Cobot market is no longer just about automation. It's about predictive AI, digital twins, and reshoring global power. For investors, the integration of Agentic Cobots is the most critical capital expenditure of the decade. Read the full analysis and access the data at Next Move Strategy Consulting. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more market intelligence.